And then for our final module here, and in fact the final module for the entire learning path here for the 411, let's take what we've learned so far as it relates to DHCP and then focus it in on making some very slight adjustments that can extend this into our existing VPN infrastructure. Now recognize that we've already created some VPN connections, the configuration here, that prescribes the experience users will have whenever they connect up through VPN. One of the things I want to show you here is just the NAS port type condition that exists here for these VPN connections. Also the Windows groups here, but we're more interested in the NAS port type. The only real thing I want to show you here, again, recognizing fully that this is not a completely functioning scenario and use case, is that if you need to extend everything we've talked about here into the VPN space as well, it's entirely feasible for you to construct additional network policies that incorporate, for example, the health policy condition down here, as well as the further NAP settings that we configured down in the bottom portion, right over here in the right-hand tab, so that these conditions or these configurations also exist whenever you're focusing it in on clients that are coming in through some VPN configuration. That can require some additional configurations here under your VPN connections properties, perhaps adding in an additional condition here for the network health or the network access protection health status, as well as adjusting perhaps over here for your connection request properties, this additional condition here for your identity type being also a machine health check. Now, admittedly, this is not the full use case here with network access protection, but the goal here is, rather than providing a fully functional scenario, is to expose you to the various components that need to link together to create that network access protection infrastructure.